How to keep leading zeros in numbers. Ever had this problem? You enter a number with leading zeros like a product code or ID, and Excel just removes them. Annoying, right? But don't worry, I've got a fix. Excel treats numbers as values, and in math, leading zeros don't matter. But for things like product IDs or serial numbers, they do. Method 1. Use a custom number format. One easy fix. Use a custom format. Select your cells. Press Ctrl+1 or right-click, Format Cells. Go to the Number tab, select Custom, type 00000 for 5-digit numbers, adjust as needed. Click OK. Method 2. Use an apostrophe before the number. Another quick trick, just type an apostrophe before your number. So instead of typing 00123, type 00123. Excel will treat it as text but keep the zeros. Method 3. Use the text formula, or if you need a formula, use this, equals text to 1, 0 do stro. This ensures numbers always have 5 digits, adding zeros automatically when needed. If you need to keep numbers for calculations, use the custom format. If you're entering IDs manually, an apostrophe works fine. And if you're working with formulas, go with text. Try these out and let me know which one works best for you. And if this tip helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Excel tricks. See you next time.